Remove hairdressing! Remove hairdressing!
I have come to take away shame from you.
Your brother is now a rich man, a millionaire.
Meanwhile, all he's asking of you is to stay away from the fast lane, stay away from crime. How is that a bad thing? I knew there was something off about you. I knew, and I asked God to expose you, and he just exposed you.
So you have made money, right? You can now challenge me, Obina.
Talking to you, will you listen when I'm still talking?
Hold him. I'll kill you today.
Anytime he sees me, he will be overacting and be saying nonsense.
Have you found the stranger in your house? Who is this stranger?
I do not care if you're my senior brother or not.
You are mad.
You have lost your respect.
You are stupid.
I don't like the way you're always harassing and embarrassing Brother Mecca every time. He's not good now. Are you envious of him?
He said he's no longer interested in going ahead with the wedding.
What? Wait, no.
All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about...
Have you forgotten that I am your bona fide and legitimate first son? First son in this family I'm even supposed to be the one to inherit everything you have up to your boxers.
You chose to be different. All you do is to cause us sadness and anxiety instead of happiness.
Mom, I demand a DNA test.
What? We're going to get a DNA test so that this matter will be laid to rest permanently once and for all.
I don't care about any test. Nothing can stop my loving you as a brother.
Where we have problems with these two results, Emeka and Joshua. One is positive, one is negative.